Hi primary families, I real quick want to show you the easiest way to log on to Zoom. We will be using Zoom a lot during our remote learning. And the easiest way to do that is to head to my classroom webpage and click the link there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So open any browser and head to Springfield Ball Charter School, their homepage. Then you're going to scroll to Teachers and scroll down until you find me, Eileen Bessler. Click on my name and it will take you to our class web page. You can see I have various information up like Meet the Teacher, how to connect on Dojo, Epic, which is a reading resource we will get more into in the next few days. But in order to log on to Zoom, you're going to click on the left hand side the icon that says Zoom. It is right at the top. So click that and it will take you to join a meeting. So right now we don't need a specific invite for each Zoom that we will be doing, each Zoom sessions, but you will just need our meeting ID and password. I will provide the meeting ID as well as the password in Classroom Dojo. So what you'll do now, you'll get to this screen, you'll type in our meeting ID and hit join. And then it will prompt you to share or to type in a password. And like I said, I will share that password with you on Classroom Dojo. There we go. Make sure that first letter is capitalized. And as you can see, Zoom is waiting on me to allow you in. So you will at first be entered into a waiting room. And make sure the name on your Zoom user account is your student's name, just so I'm not guessing as who iPhone X is or anything like that. So I will be admitted in to the waiting room and it will take you right to Zoom. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, and otherwise I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.